Installing the alarm signal cable for the power cabinet. Installing the monitoring signal cable for the EMUA. Loosen the wiring terminal of the battery on the left of the lower battery cabinet. Lead the OT terminal of the sensor cable and that of the battery power cable through bolts, and then tighten the bolts. Installing the alarm cable for the door status sensor. Connect the alarm cable for the door status sensor of the battery cabinet to the power cabinet. Installing the alarm cable. Connect one end of the alarm cable to the extended alarm port on the UEIU or the UPEU and the other end to the corresponding external port. Installing the monitoring signal cable between the APMI and the BBU.